Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Absolutely Sha. Welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So, by the title of this video, you know that I am going to share with you my September Boxycharm subscription box. So, if you are new to my channel and if you've never heard of Boxycharm, it is a monthly makeup beauty subscription service where each and every month they send you about 4 to 5 full-size products from various different brands. And I like it because I get to test out makeup and skincare from brands that sometimes I never even heard of, or maybe it's a brand I have heard of and I just haven't quite yet made it to Ulta or Sephora to try it out, and it happens to be in one of my Boxycharm boxes. So if you want to try out various different skincare and makeup brands, then I think Boxycharm would be a really good service to sign up for. It ranges about $26-ish a month. Don't quote me on that, but I will leave my referral link in the description box below. So if you are interested, you can go ahead, check them out, sign up, and see if you like what you get. So I know you're here. You want to see what I got. I haven't opened up this box at all, so I am excited to see what I got. So let's open up my box. All right, guys. So if you see my dog in the background, excuse him. Sometimes I have to bring him in my bedroom, put him on my bed so that he doesn't bark. Also, my background is really like, it's just not giving me the vibe that I want to have, but I just got to make do with what works for now. But yeah, I don't like this portion of my bedroom, but this is where my desk is. Anyway, that's not what you came here for. You came here for to see what we got. What are the goods inside this box? So let me go ahead and open it up. Again, I have not opened up this box, so I have no idea what I am getting this month. I don't even look at the spoilers, so I really do be surprised. So each and every month they give you a postcard, and on the back of it, it lists all the items that are in the box this month. This month's theme is glam vibes only. And I love me some glam. So I think I am really going to like this box. So again, as I take out each item, I'll read off what it is and what the retail value is, so you can see how much a really good deal you do get by signing up for this monthly subscription. So the very first thing that I am taking out is Hank and Henry, and it's a satin matte lipstick. Satin matte lipstick. And let's see, while I open up the box, Hank and Henry Lip Love Luxe lipstick. Retail value is $18. I think in my last month box they sent me the very same lipstick that I had. But anyway, guys, so this is the lipstick. I really seriously believe I received this last month, but you know what? It's a pretty lipstick, and I'm not mad. It is what it is. But yeah, so the retail value of this lipstick is $18. The second thing that I have is Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. Came in this box, and the retail value of this is $45. So the retail value of this vitamin C eye cream, this is what it looks like when I take it out the box, and the retail value of this is $45. I'm a sucker for eye cream, and I say that, but I've been using the same eye cream for like a minute now. Let's see. Oops. There we go. I thought it might smell like cherry because it has a cherry picture. Maybe it's a very subtle smell, but this is what the eye cream looks like. And let's see. It doesn't say that it's a nighttime eye cream, but it's a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. So yeah, $45. I will definitely be using this. Okay, so that was my second item. So let's move on to the third. Ooh, I can never have too many beauty sponges. So this is from Billion Dollar Beauty, and the retail value of this beauty sponge is $15. And it's a charcoal beauty sponge. So it's charcoal infused, vegan, cruelty free, and no artificial dyes. So yeah, and this is what it looks like. So I can never have too many of those. So that's my third item. And let's go to the fourth item. This is Laura Geller Lash Boss Bold Mascara Black. Retail value $24. Let me tell you, I don't remember which box it was, but in one of the boxes, I received one of Lily Lashes mascara. And this is, I like to see the wand. Ooh, I like that wand. This is what the wand looks like on the mascara. Back to what I was saying. The Lily Lashes mascara, I am telling you, when I tell you I love that mascara, I use that mascara every single day. And you know what? When I get done filming this video, I need to go order another one. And I know I received it in a Boxycharm box. I love that mascara. I recommend you guys go to Lily Lashes and order that mascara. See, this is why I like getting Boxycharm, because I never would have thought of ordering mascara from Lily Lashes. Although she do have some lashes that I want to try out also. But that mascara is amazing. You guys have to try that. Okay, so this was my fourth item. The retail value is $24. And my fifth item is this right here. So this is from Alamar Cosmetics Spanglish Press Pigment Palette. The retail value of this is $28. And let's see, good thing I have my scissors right here. It has tape on it. So let me try, there we go. Try to open it. And ooh, these are some really pretty colors. So this is what the palette looks like. Those colors are really pretty, gorgeous, and it comes with a mirror. And yeah, the retail value of this is $28. So guys, I received, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I received 5 items this month. Again, I paid roughly $26 for it. So if you are interested in Boxycharm, I really highly suggest that you go ahead and you check them out so that you can receive all the wonderful, amazing products that I receive each and every month from them. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my very next video. That's all I got for you. Bye.